Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to enable subscriptions on the Instagram. So Instagram recently give a new update. Now you may have a button of the subscription on your Instagram account. How you can grab it on your profile? Watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Instagram, log into your account. Once you will do it, you will see screen like this. On the right bottom you will see your profile icon, so simply click on it. First of all, you have to convert your simple account to the business account. To do this, you have to click on the three lines, go to the settings. Now you have to go to the account. Now scroll up and here you will see switch account type, and here you will see a different option like switch to personal account or switch to creator. You will also find a business account option. Right now I am in the business account, so I simply go back on my profile. After that you have to click on the edit profile. Now scroll up and here you will see action button, simply click on it. Now if you are in the terms of the Instagram, you will find a subscription button right here, but if you don't have, wait for it. Maybe your profile may have to grow. Also you can simply go back and here you will see Play Store. Now here you have to search for the Instagram, update your Instagram application and try to find out the subscription button on the Instagram. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.